Cardan gear is one of the most critical components which influences on the safety and comfort driving. Also, it's the least durable gear of transmission. Therefore, the repair service of cardan gear is very asked for, and company named Mehanika in St. Petersburg, Russia, do this service very qualified. Defective cardan shaft taken off from cars are delivering to a workshop zone in Mehanika. These shafts are placed into washers. Cleaning is automatic with use of hot cleaning agent. This agent applied to the polluted surfaces under pressure. After that, a worker makes an identification and preliminary defectoscopy of cardan shafts. At this stage, receiving clerks defined list of necessary spare parts and repair operations. The choice of the technological plan of repair the cardan shafts, depending on its technological condition, is made directly on cardan workshop zone. Technical equipment of this area permits to make a qualitative repair of variety cardan shafts with various damages. If cardan shaft is damaged so much and isn't able to repair, it's made from brand name components. And this new shaft absolutely corresponds to the defective shaft to constructional parameters. For this, in addition to standard parts, a worker makes a tube element of cardan shaft required size. A worker makes and assembles this pipe element with its yoke and spline tail. Cross kit with bearings installed in yoke. Molded bearings are securely fixed in lugs by stop rings. After that, a worker makes a complete assembly of shaft. At the same time, very important is to guarantee the accuracy of the spatial shaft geometry. For this, a worker fixes assembled shaft on special rotator. He makes a phase control and correction of position of the shaft elements in relation to the axis of rotation. At first, the elements which were placed on shaft are fixed by spot welding. Its final high-strength junction is made by welding annular seams in the environment of carbon dioxide. The qualitative repair of cardan shaft isn't possible without its dynamical balancing. Mehanika makes this service on a modern high-precision balancing machines brand Schenck. At first, a worker defines the mass of the shafts and its constructive parameters. After that, the shaft is placed on the machine. A worker introduces parameters of the shafts into the balancing program, and he defines the values and the location of the unbalanced masses for each of its supports. Wringing out of balance shaft in accordance with normative requirement is ensured by installation of balancing weights, which fastened by an electrical rivets. Now, balance shaft is colored and given out to the customer. Mehanika realizes the qualitative repair of cardan shaft for all brands of trucks and cars. Modern technology with use of high-precision equipment provides high-resource repaired drive shafts.